Segment 1. Introduction to Value Investing. Welcome to Mastering the Art of Value Investing. In this segment, we delve into the fundamental principles of value investing. What exactly is value investing, and why is it crucial in today's market? Value investing is about identifying undervalued stocks that have strong fundamentals. It's not about chasing trends or following the crowd. Stay tuned as we explore the essence of value investing and its significance in building a robust investment portfolio. Segment 2. The Philosophy of Value Investing. At the core of value investing lies a philosophy grounded in patience, discipline, and a thorough understanding of the businesses in which you invest. Join us as we dissect the philosophy behind value investing and uncover the keys to successful stock selection. Segment 3. The Art of Analysis. Value investing isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding the qualitative aspects of a business and its competitive advantage. We'll show you how to analyze financial statements, assess management quality, and identify value where others may overlook it. Segment 4. Implementing the strategy. Armed with the knowledge and techniques of value investing, it's time to put theory into practice. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the strategies and tactics employed by successful value investors.